In this module, you'll learn about quoting, paraphrasing, summarizing, and plagiarism. This is really modules within a module because what you'll be doing in this module is going through a series of different modules. So there are 4 different plagiarism modules that I would like you to go through. They are all on the UOIT website, and you'll find the links in the link section of WebCT. They'll be listed modules number 1 through 4. So the first thing you'll see is at the first link is this academic integrity module, read and apply. I would like you to read through this, and I'd like you to watch the video from our provost, Dr. Marceau. So that's the first one you're going to do. The next one you're going to do is you will hear from some students. So I would like you to go to the second page and watch all of the videos of your fellow students and one of our faculty members discussing issues associated with academic integrity. Third, is read and apply. So in this section, you read UOIT's academic policy on academic conduct, and there is a plagiarism prevention module that will open up in a separate window, and I would like you to complete that. And fourth, there's another interactive module that I would like you to complete as well. Going through all of these modules will give you a very good sense of UOIT's policies on plagiarism and other forms of academic misconduct. This material will be important for you to know. You will be tested on it on the final exam for this course, and it will be of great help to you throughout your other courses at UOIT. The next section is more relevant to our practice writing assignment for the week. And in this section, rather than just showing you what's wrong with how to write incorrectly through plagiarism, we also want you to know how to write correctly when referring to others' work. So in this section, we focus on the difference between quoting, paraphrasing, summarizing, and plagiarizing. And there are several additional resources that I would like you to refer to. All of these are on the online writing lab at Purdue University's website. So the first one gives you a very short but very concise and excellent definition of the difference between quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. So I would like you to read through that. The second one gives you a more complete definition of paraphrasing and a method of paraphrasing. 6 steps to effective paraphrasing, which is something I would like you to do. I would like you to learn. And then the third page gives you an example of proper summarizing, paraphrasing, and quoting. So these are the web pages that I would like you to work through and learn, and really learning the differences between proper quoting, paraphrasing, summarizing, and plagiarism. Now let's turn to our practice writing assignment for the week. Okay, so this practice writing assignment assumes that you've studied the OWL web pages for quoting, paraphrasing, summarizing, and that you've learned the background on plagiarism fairly thoroughly. So there's some introductory remarks up front that are pretty consistent with the web page. You'll notice that this assignment is worth 80 points. And here's what you need to do. There are 4 tables like this, and on the first column you will see an abstract, a very short summary of research, And in the second column, you'll see all of the information you need for a proper APA citation, and in fact, there's more information than you need for a proper APA citation. So part of this is knowing what you need for a proper citation when quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. And what I would like you to do on each table is get to know the summary very well, then write your own summary of the summary with a quote in this box here. Then write another summary that contains a paraphrase from the original summary. In the next column, write a summary of the paragraph in your own words. And then the last column, I'm actually asking you to plagiarize. I would like you to write a summary of the paragraph in which you plagiarize the original paragraph. And the purpose of this is so that you can clearly see the difference between these different methods of summarizing research. Summary with quote, summary with paraphrase, summary in your own words, and summary with plagiarism. And through this assignment, you will not be at risk of being charged with academic misconduct for plagiarizing. This is actually part of the assignment. So you do this for 4 different summaries. So there's a fair amount of work in these summaries. And the summary should have the proper citation in APA style to the work. So when you hand this in, you will have completed these 4 columns, 4 different types of summarizing this work. And you should fill out the summaries right on the form. It's in Microsoft Word, and turn it in as usual using the assignment tool. Read the instructions carefully, and let's get to work.